A law meant to prevent domestic violence cases created more work for police and prosecutors. That's according to the city auditor, who says changes need to be made. In a new report, the auditor says the Honolulu Police Department and prosecutor's office lack certain things to successfully prosecute domestic violence cases. So what is he recommending to make things better? Alexander Zane is joining us with more. Alexander?
Joe, the prosecutor's office tells me one of its goals is to improve how the public gets information about domestic violence, and says this audit shows the complexity of prosecuting these types of cases. Since 2013, domestic violence cases turned over to the city prosecutor's office have been on the rise. The number of cases going up from 263 in 2013 to 471 in 2016. Adding to the workload was a law passed in 2014, which made it a felony if abuse happened in front of a child under 14. A new report by the city auditor says that while the law was meant to deter domestic violence cases, it instead put a strain on prosecutors. The auditor recommends the office to lobby for more resources, something City Prosecutor Keith Kaneshiro says is unlikely.
Obviously, I don't think we can get more money or more people on, but we just do have a lot of cases. We just have to be able to do and handle those cases the best way we can.
Kaneshiro does say he's going to continue to ask the legislature to pursue dropping domestic violence from a misdemeanor to a petty misdemeanor.
So if we make it a petty misdemeanor, we can resolve it a lot quicker with a trial by a judge instead of a jury.
Also in the audit, HPD and the Office of the Prosecutor would have to issue regular reports to keep the city and public informed about domestic violence incidents, something both support. Another recommendation both support is improving the way information is shared between the departments.
I would totally agree with that recommendation. In fact, we've been trying for the past 2 years in working with HPD to integrate our information system.
Kaneshiro also said unused civil courtrooms or criminal circuit courts could be used to combat the problem of case congestion. And according to the audit, right now there are only 3 courtrooms and 3 judges that hear domestic violence cases. Requests for a jury trial are said to, in the report, to be used as a tool to delay cases. Kaneshiro says he'll continue to try to change this. Alexander Zanes, KHON 2 News.